Ever pondered over the profitability and value of cryptocurrencies when valued in Colombian pesos, dollars, and euros? The world of cryptocurrency is a fascinating one, and today, we'll delve into this complex universe to make it a little less mysterious. Picture this. A single Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, currently holds a value that would leave you astounded. In Colombian pesos, the value of one Bitcoin is well beyond a staggering 40 million. If we switch over to dollars, it's comfortably sitting at around 10,000. And in euros, just a little under 9,000. Now, let's move on to Ethereum, another big player in the crypto market. One Ethereum hovers around the 1 million pesos mark. When we switch to dollars, it's valued at approximately 250. And in euros, it's just a tad under 200. But the world of cryptocurrency isn't limited to just Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with their own unique value in pesos, dollars, and euros. Some of these include Ripple, Litecoin, and Cardano, to name a few. Ripple, for instance, is valued considerably lower than Bitcoin and Ethereum. In pesos, it's just over 1,000. In dollars, Ripple is worth about 25 cents. And in euros, it's roughly 20 cents. Litecoin, on the other hand, is sitting pretty at around 300,000 pesos. In dollars, that's about 75. And in euros, it's approximately 65. Lastly, Cardano, another popular cryptocurrency, is valued at around 3,000 pesos. In dollars, that's about 75 cents. And in euros, it's slightly less than that. So, what does all of this mean? Well, the value of cryptocurrencies is constantly fluctuating. What's worth millions of pesos one day could be worth considerably less the next. The same goes for its value in dollars and euros. But one thing is certain, cryptocurrencies hold immense potential for profitability. With the right knowledge and a bit of luck, investing in cryptocurrencies could prove to be a very lucrative venture. To sum it all up, the world of cryptocurrencies is as diverse as it is complex. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, Ripple to Litecoin, each cryptocurrency has its unique value in Colombian pesos, dollars, and euros. And while their values may fluctuate wildly, their potential for profitability remains a constant. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious onlooker, the world of cryptocurrencies is certainly worth exploring.